Hello everyone and welcome to Georgia Peach with an Alabama twist. Today we are making crock pot chicken and dumplings. Okay guys, I've started with about 2 pounds of chicken that is boneless and skinless, and then I'm going to add to that chicken broth. And we are going to make sure that it covers the chicken. Kind of make a mess like I do. To me, if you're not cooking if you don't make a mess. Then we are going to take, there we go, separate our chicken out a little bit in there. And guys, I'm gonna put this on high for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to shred the chicken and then dump the rest of the ingredients in there. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have chopped up the chicken. I let it cook for a little while in the juices. Now I am going to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. I'm just gonna dump that in there. Let's give it a good stir real quick. I was running low on my time tonight, so I went ahead while I was waiting on the chicken to cook and got all my veggies ready. I also chopped 2 carrots and 2 celery sticks. Those look beautiful together. I don't know what it is about those 2 colors together, but it's already looking yummy. Next, I have chopped up a small onion. I'm just gonna drop that in there. Can you say flavors? Oh my goodness. I'm just adding this in, but I can already smell all this, and it smells delicious. I have cream of chicken, 2 cans. We're gonna just pour that in there. And these are 10.5 ounce cans. Just something to thicken it up a little bit. So let's give that a good stir. Is your mouth already watering? I know mine is. Okay guys, I am going to add in two tablespoons of flour. That I did not have ready yet, and I grabbed the wrong one. Okay, now I got the flour. So we will do 2 tablespoons of flour, roughly. Stir that really quick. Make sure everything gets soaked in. All right, and the last thing we are going to add, I took a can of biscuits and I cut them into 6 pieces each. They were the 8 ones, and we're just gonna throw those in. That way, as this cooks, of course, it will make our dumplings. This is the lazy way for a Saturday afternoon to cook a really good meal. I cannot wait for this to be done. We have my great niece's best friend over today. She spent the night last night, and they are waiting for this to get done. And like I said, what a quick and easy meal. That's hearty, and you don't need anything to go with it, but if you wanted to, you could do green beans, you could do corn, it doesn't matter. Guys, I'm gonna give this a quick stir. Kind of just want to make sure the biscuits are in there as well. And we'll come back once it's done in about 2.5 hours. Okay everyone, it's done, it's steamy hot, and let's give it a try. And that's the stuff that makes you want to slap your mama. But if you do, don't tell her I told you to. Yeah, this is good. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day.